Spread along the shores of Lake Erie, Geneva on the Lake is Ohio's original summer getaway. Since the late 1800s, this small town has been a spot for vacationers seeking a slice of Americana. From its nostalgic attractions to the bustling strip, lined with arcades, eateries, and quaint shops, Geneva on the Lake is a step back in time. Today, we will uncover some of the history, the quirks, and the timeless charm of this lakeside gem. This is Quaint and Charming Geneva on the Lake.
Hello, Robert.
Mike, hey,
I'm
how you
Captain
doing?
Mike. Come on aboard, Hooking Hogs.
Oh, thank you. The last time I went fishing, the only time I've gone fishing, all we caught was a lonely flounder.
Oh,
A tiny little flounder. I'm like, okay, I'll take it.
About half hour or so to get to the good fishing grounds, and then we can fish an hour or two and head back in. That's not a good sound. Well, guys, we might cut this trip short, unfortunately. So I can get us in and out. There's no worries. We're not stranded anywhere. Funniest thing, I just put oil in it today, and we're here. I can get us out with the little motor a little ways, see if we can possibly catch a fish. Let me see.
This is the kind of thing that happens, and it's real life, right? When you're RVing, sometimes you got a flat tire. And out here, there's no tires, but you know, something could go wrong. So it's all good. It's all good. We'll survive this one.
Trying to improvise. See if we can catch some dinner. Hey guys, we got one on here.
How do we do this?
So you can just take this, and then you can yell, "Fish on, fish on!" So
Fish
put
on, fish
your
on.
left hand up here. Okay.
Fish on.
Yep, and just a nice, slow, steady reel. Okay, we got it.
Woo-hoo!
That's
Fish
number
on.
one. How we do it is we trade. I'll take this, and you take this.
Look at that.
A measurement on them.
I can totally take credit for it, but I reeled it in.
There it is. We just got another little hit.
Reel it in. Oh.
Yep, there he is. He's on there. We got him.
Woohoo!
But yeah, these fins will pop up, and they're very, very sharp. And you could see he has teeth in there.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another one right there on number 4.
Fish on. Fish on.
Yeah, perfect. Take this.
This is fun.
Way out there. That's what we're looking for here.
That's a winner. Oh, look at that.
This is close to what we call a hog. Yeah, that's what we want right there, buddy. Good
Hey,
job,
now
man.
we got one.
Now we're cooking with gas. So I'll take this from you, and you can take that up there.
I don't know, man. I'm afraid.
Afraid?
I'm afraid.
He'll bite you. That's what we call Lake Erie gold. Robert, is that blood?
The things I do for the show, the things I do for you guys. It's a little bit of blood, yeah. Hey, Mike, thank you. That was a great fishing tour, man.
It was a pleasure to have you on the boat,
So
Robert.
what's next now?
So right now I'm going to clean the fresh fish that you just caught, and you can take it to a restaurant right down the road. It's called the Boot. And they will fry it up and cook it for you, and they give you fries and coleslaw. It's a great deal.
It doesn't get any more fresh than that, right?
No, lake to the plate.
Yeah, by the way, are you staying at the same RV resort I'm staying at?
Yes, I am. I'm a seasonal guest at Sun Retreats over here in Geneva, and I'd love to have a beer with you later.
Stop by later, and we'll have a beer together.
We can talk about the one that got away.
Exactly.
Sounds good.
The
Thanks.
fish that got away.
Thanks again, Robert.
You're welcome. Located in the heart of this small town, this RV resort offers the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Here, I've found my own slice of paradise, surrounded by all the sights and sounds that make this place so special. Today we're heading to Eds, which is a local legend here in Geneva on the lake. This beloved diner has been serving up good times and great food for decades, becoming a cornerstone of the community. Known for its laid-back vibe, Eds offers a menu that is as eclectic as its patrons, from juicy hot dogs and fresh fish to Slovenian sausages and sloppy joes. No doubt we'll be in for a treat.
This is so cool. Yeah, I'll have a foot-long hot dog and some water. That'll be all, thank you. It is a two-handed operation here. Oh, that was so good. Solid hot dog. And that place, Eddie, I mean, that's like stepping back in time. What a great place.
Family owned and operated since 1972, Debonet Vineyards is Ohio's largest estate winery. This sprawling vineyard is more than just a place to taste wine. It's a destination steeped in tradition with a passion for winemaking.
Well, hi, Loretta. So nice to meet you.
Welcome to Debonet.
Thank you so much.
What brings you this way?
Well, I've been exploring the area, driving around in my RV, and, I love wine, so I decided, let's check out Debonet.
Debonet Vineyards has been here since 1972. We just celebrated our 52nd anniversary, but the family who owns Debonet has been farming this land since 1916. So we are on our fourth generation here at Debonet Vineyards.
Yeah, and this is like one of the largest wine regions in Ohio, right? If not the largest.
Yes, the Grand River Valley produces over half the grapes in the state of Ohio.
Well, that's wonderful. I'm really looking forward to tasting some of those wines.
Today we're going to try 3 of our most popular wines here. So we're going to start with the unoaked Chardonnay.
Okay.
Our unoaked Chardonnay is very crisp, clean. So we refer to the unoaked Chardonnay as a farmer's wine. It's very indicative of the grape.
Right. Yeah, very crisp. Yeah. And fruity. Yeah, I love it.
Next, we're going to try our Cab wine. This is a red, a blend of our Cabernet Sauvignon and our Cab Franc.
Okay, that's why it's called Cab, I see.
Yes.
Oh yeah, this is definitely my kind of wine.
Lastly, we're going to try our Vidal Blanc ice wine. Ice wine is a unique treat that is only made in a few places in the world.
So this would be more like a dessert.
This is a dessert, all on its own.
This is something that I would not normally buy, but it is delicious.
It's very unique.
And it has great acidity too. I love it. Yeah. Thank you, Loretta. This was a great tasting. So this is it. We're wrapping up our time here at Sun Retreats, Geneva on the Lake. Mike, the captain, was going to join us for a little sing-along here, a couple of drinks, but unfortunately, actually, fortunately for him, his daughter is having his first grandchild, so congratulations to Mike. Fortunately, we have a member of the film crew here who is a great musician, and in exchange for a couple of beers, he'll be willing to come and fill in for Captain Mike. So, ladies and gentlemen, the great Breen Jones.
Hey, man.
Hey, how are you?
So good.
Good to see you again. It's been a minute.
It's nice to be in front of the camera instead of behind it today.
Man.
I'm excited to play a little bit.
What do you think of our time here at Geneva on the Lake?
It's been beautiful. It's a charming little town. Everyone we've met's been super rad. The food's been delicious. You know, you've been a lot of fun to work with. And be out
behind
there.
and in front of the camera, for sure. Yeah.
It's been a great
It's
time.
been a great time. So what's your experience, traveling around, filming, with Sun around the country, around the sun?
It's been amazing. It's fun to see all these different places, and every city is so unique, and the things that they have to offer are so unique. It's amazing to get the opportunity to see all these different places.
You think you might ever get an RV and travel around the country?
If it's as nice as that one, then definitely.
We've had such a great time. Thank you, Breen, for hanging out.
Of course.
And I'll see you somewhere around the sun. I'm riding in my RV, wherever I want to be. 'Cause I'm free in my RV, yeah, I'm riding, baby, riding in my RV, wherever I want to be. 'Cause I'm free in my RV.